Hi everyone, I am Professor Geiger and I wanted to take a moment to introduce myself to you and share with you a few things that you should know about this class. Today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is the last day that you can withdraw from a full 16 week class at SCF. So I want to make sure that everyone is in the appropriate class before I move forward. So this is an online college algebra class. You are going to have the same amount of work that you normally would in a regular face-to-face class, except that I'm not going to be here to teach it to you. This means that this class is actually going to be more work because you're going to have to learn by yourself how to about the material. I'm not going to teach it to you. You have to be in charge of the learning process, which takes more time. So some students think that an online math class is going to actually be less work. It's not. It's more work, and you should know that going in now. Some students think that because it's an online class, I'm going to go easy on you in some way, or we're going to cover less material, I'm going to skip sections or something like that. That is absolutely not the case. You're going to get all of the same assessments and we're going to work on all of the same objectives and material than you would as if you were in my regular face-to-face class. So taking an online college algebra class is not the easiest thing in the world, and you really should only be taking this class if you are, one, really good at math or you really like math, or two, you have a lot of time to dedicate for this class. If you don't have one of those, if you can't say one of those two things about yourself, I highly encourage you to withdraw from this class right now so that you can still get a refund on your money and maybe register for a face-to-face class, okay? So with that being said, I wanted to just let you know where you should be right now in the class. So today's Thursday. Everyone in here should have completed the Start Here module, all items in the Start Here module. Most of you are doing that, and you're doing a really great job. If you didn't do that, you can still do that. But moving forward, on Tuesday evening, you are going to have homework assignments 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3 due. Those are in my math lab. And you will also have, you are also required to print the syllabus, which I am going to collect that from you when I see you when you take the first test. So keep that in mind. Having a syllabus, access to a syllabus in an online class is really important because you don't see me in person, so you need to be resourceful. You need to know where to go to get your questions answered when you have them, and the syllabus is packed full of information. So I want to make sure that you know that I want to make sure that you have access to the syllabus. So how I do that is I require that you print it and turn it in to me when you take the next class. Before you do homework assignments, you will do HHWs, handwritten homeworks assignments, and you have a handwritten homework assignment for each section except 1.1. 1.1 is a little basic, so I don't require one from there. But so for example, the HHW for 1.2, I'm actually requiring that you write out some definitions, examples from the textbook, the online textbook, and some formulas. That's sort of like you taking lecture notes in class. It's my way of saying, okay, before you go in to do the homework, here are some definitions and formulas and basic problems that you should know how to do before you even go do the homework in my math lab, okay? So you're gonna turn in the HHWs, so you have one for section 1.2, 1.3 for every section except for 1.1. You're gonna turn those in as part of your portfolio along with the printed syllabus when I see you when you take the next test. So as you're doing those HHWs, you should be keeping those aside and collecting them as you move forward. Alright, I want to keep this video short, so I'm going to stop there, but I wanted to introduce myself and let you see my face. As an online class, as an instructor for an online class, my role is a little bit different than it usually is for face-to-face classes. Really here I'm more of a supporter and directing you to resources, making sure you know what your assignments are and how you get your questions answered. So Know that I am a quick email away. If you need anything, please email me. And I look forward to working with you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.